¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te
Don't you go. Don't you to go.
This guy is always so late. I'm actually fed up of waiting for this guy to stream. Like, I know he makes me so much money, and I know he's helping me become profitable. But you know what? I just can't wait like 1 minute for him to stream. You know what I mean? It's just so annoying. I just have to sit here, be patient. It's almost as if traders need to be patient. I don't know. But you know what? Fuck this guy. I'm not streaming. I'm not gonna watch him stream. I'm not gonna sit here. I'm not gonna do anything. Ah, chat. You guys know me. I'm just joking with you. How are we all doing, chat? Welcome back to the streams. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good morning. I'm waiting 30 minutes for you, boss. Good. It's called character building. Should we start the stream? Or should I make you guys wait a little bit longer, huh? I'm feeling nice today, chat. Fine. Let's wait longer? I say less. What kind of gaslighting is that? I don't know. Chat. What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back. How are we all doing? Good morning, good afternoon. What's good, Mohammed, King Woods, Finnan, Anil, Danny, Cody, Victory Settings, Tony. Who else is here, chat? What's good? What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the streams. It's going to be a good one today, man. I'm excited for this. New week, new profs, new money made. Oh, this camera's way too orange, I think, right now. Wait. Whoa. Crazy. You're lucky you have Pink Panther background. We're willing to wait. Not the Pink Panther background. What's good, Cody? All right, chat. So, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. First of all, how was everyone's weekend? Hopefully you did well over the weekend. Hopefully no FOMO trading on Bitcoin or any of that bullshit. Personally, what did I do, man? I chilled out a little bit because it's been, actually no, that's a lie. Saturday I worked extremely hard. Gold is ripping down right now, by the way. Holy shit, it's absolutely melting down. Like, seriously melting. How many pips is that? Like, oh, it's, what? That looks huge. It's only 30 pips. Okay, never mind. Anyway. Played some padel yesterday. Saturday I worked. Sunday I chilled out. But that's about it, man. What about you guys, chat? What about you guys? Listen, we have no news today. No news Monday. Interesting. Mr. Rays, what's good, my bro? Chat, by the way, this morning, took a cheeky little scalp trade. Passed another top step evaluation. bringing the total amount of funding to $850,000. Look at that. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, chat. I had my TP at 53,000, and then this morning it literally hit, but slipped me, so I was like $5 down. I was like, oh no. Popped a little 1 micro, and went in drawdown for ages, but then like got the $5, so we're good. So yeah, chat, that is another little bit of funding here, chat. So I'm currently 100k funded top step, 850k funded total. 3 more combines to go. One's literally $200 away. The others are like $400 away, 300 even. Interesting, chat. It's going to be a good day today, man. Let's hopefully get these across the line, and then I'll be at $1 million funding, chat. That's literally it. As long as I pass those, $1 million funding, and then I can literally double the price of my course, double the price of my mentorship, and move to Miami, rent a Eurus, rent a yacht for a day, and then that's it, chat. That's me done for trading forever. All right, chat. Look, let's get into a breakdown right now. So, weekly time frame, chat, obviously pushed up here. We've opened up no bottom wick, which is cracked, to be honest. Daily time frame as well, no bottom wick, obviously. 4 hours, interesting. The 4 hour closed 2 hours ago, just above the highs here. You broke the highs, and you're now making a top wick. Honestly, I would like to see the 4 hour come down and tap into one of these two levels here, either 44.2 or 36.6, because then you've got the retest of this wick or the retest of this previous body high here. So if you can come and tap into that on the lower time frame, it's going to be absolutely fire. But with that being said, chat, the 1 hour is coming down right now with the bottom wick. It opened up bottom wick first. You've only got 15 minutes left of it though, so the chances of it flipping is increasingly pushing downwards here. So let's see, chat. Maybe we can get a little retest into that level. Obviously, we are at all-time highs, so there's got really no levels here, to be honest, which is fine. Which means we need to drop to the lower time frame to get some levels here. I would personally say, do we need to drop to the 5? No, not really. 15-minute levels are going to be okay here, probably. I think you've got a level up here towards 59.6. You've also got one at 54.7. Yeah, realistically, that's all I'm looking for right now. If you do close back above there, obviously it should take you up towards the highs, up towards 62.1. I know it's a bit of a small range, but chat, what else am I meant to do, man? Honestly, like I said, I would like a little retracement all the way down into these levels here. But that is quite far away from now. It's like, what, 250 pips away, something like that? Oh no, 200 pips away. So, I mean, it's possible. You have comics open in, what's that? 35 minutes? Something like that. And yeah, hopefully that brings the volume in. Chat, for right now though, it's not going to be sells below here. Like, it's definitely not. What I'll be looking for is like a breakdown here below and then a closure back above, almost like the fake out play. And if we get that, then great. Otherwise, chat, it's just about watching market structure, being patient, waiting for the moves to be made, liquidity to be grabbed, etc. Quite a strong bearish close here below the most recent lows. So I think you could continue down here. I'm not going to just immediately assume this is a liquidity grab. When you have these extended pushes up, right, a lot of people would be waiting for this move right here and expecting that to be the liquidity, when in reality it's not always the case, right? A lot of the time you'll retrace a lot further down when you have these strong pushes. For example, this one here, a lot of people bought this candle thinking it would be a liquidity grab, and they pushed even further down, like stuff like this as well, stuff like this, stuff like this. So we need to wait here, be patient, wait for the actual confirmation, and then we can see, chat. But look, man, how was everyone's week last week? How's everyone's month going so far? We're coming towards the end of the month right now, coming into the end of Q3 as well. We literally have 1 week and 2 days left, 7 trading days left of Q3. Hopefully it's been a good trading session for you guys. Hopefully you've been killing it. But yeah, man. To get 1 mil funding, you just have to buy 2 mil funding and full put half of them long and the other half short. Yeah, true. But I know you're legit. I appreciate it. Why don't you copy trade all the top step accounts? I don't like to copy trade evaluations. I don't know why. I'm not really that locked in on evals, to be honest. I kind of like just scalping them. It's a bit of fun for me, so I don't copy trade them. Once they're live, then yeah, I'll copy trade them. But I've only got 2 passed right now, so only 100k, and the rest will bring me up to the 250k on top step. Fucked up an account today. Very bad mentality. On my way to buy a new Apex account. Yeah, chill out, bro. Don't buy one straight away, right? You got some time here. You don't need to be doing that straight away. Maybe take a day off if your mentality is bad, right? Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. By the way, yesterday I dropped an absolute screamer YouTube video. Make sure you don't miss that. Bro, I just read this message and I was tripping me out. Month kind of mid, Q3 looking like 40%. Bro, that's crazy. 40% win, 25L? What does that mean? That only adds up to 65%. Bro's got the rest is BE. Okay, yeah, I thought that, but then like started last week in heavy drawdown and now 2.1% in profit on ACG eval. W. Saying screamer YouTube video makes me think it's a scary pop-up scream. Nah, screamer is UK slang for very good. It's a fucking screamer. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, chat? Chat, the real question is, right? I want you guys to think about your answer very, very carefully on this one, right? Should we make a meal today or not? I've been thinking about this all morning. Do I want to make a meal today or should I leave that one? It's a tough question, man. Like, we could make a meal today or we could just go, I don't know. Can I be bothered to make the meal? Chat, 15-minute flipped here. Why not, eh? I don't know why I hear creamer. Creamer's crazy. Why not? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Chat, by the way, if you haven't already, follow me on X as well. I've been posting some nice little tweet-a-roonies on Twitter. X.com. It should definitely still be called Twitter, but there you go. Yeah, I've been posting some absolute banger-roonies on here. Make sure you go and take a look at them. Why can't I see my profile? Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, like, look at these threads, bro. I've been posting the mega threads, so make sure you check them out. They're extremely valuable. A lot of these tweets are, so I'll be following along with my journey on there, giving some education, giving some value, all that type of shit. Okay. All right, let's load this up. I think, chat, I don't know what to trade today. Do I want to trade the top steps and get them past, or should I trade the PAs on fucking, what's it called? Apex or Tradeify or both? I guess, to be fair, with it being all-time high, you could trade either. By the way, chat, I bought the iPhone 17 Pro today. I think it's going to be sick. Been hearing a lot of good things about it. So I went on, what's it called? Fucking some Cypriot site, I don't know. Checked if they had it. Went into the shop to buy it. They were like, yeah, we don't know when we're going to get it. And I was like, what? They were like, yo, you have to order it and then wait. And I was like, okay, if I order it, how long is it going to take? They were like, I don't know. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month, who knows? Brilliant. But I did it anyway, because I'm an idiot. I got the iPhone 17 Pro Silver. I think it looks hard. I don't like the orange or the blue, I can't lie. So I'm going to keep it simple. Sheesh got spam content on it. I know, bro, I know. That's the main reason I got it, right? It's like banger for content. Also, my phone's getting a bit old. I actually think the silver's clean. Like, comparatively to these whack-ass colors, the orange it's kind of cool, but after a day, I'd be pissed off with it. The blue is okay, but it doesn't go with anything, right? Everything I wear is black, so... Oh, I did not know it was white there. That is kind of gay. Oh, well. Anyway, what phone do you have currently? I have the 14. Not even the 14 Pro, just the 14 regular. And like, bearing in mind, chat, my entire life is spent creating content. When I vlog, I use my big ass camera, right? But when I'm making like TikToks or Instagram videos, I need a good phone camera. So the next phone camera I'm getting is like 10 times better. This looks like a sky dweller. If the 30 flips, then yeah, it will be. Peak consumerism. Yeah, you got me. Chat, 60 in here right now. I appreciate it very much. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. So what we can do here is we can wait for this 30 to flip, see if it flips and take the nice little buy position upwards. Currently the 15 minutes got no bottom wick, so it could flip at any given point, right? Again, I can't take sells today. Taking sells today is one of the most retarded things on the planet. So if you took sells today already, I want you to go ahead and look yourself hard in the mirror and think about who the fuck you are. Because selling an all-time high is retarded. What's good, not trend lines? Dylan, what's good, my bro, as well? Hi, this is Farazi from FN Markets. I wanted to invite you to the FN Markets IB program. We basically want to collaborate with you because you have a strong community of traders and you will earn referrals on any traders you bring to our brokerage. I think the fuck not, mate. What the fuck is that? I get like 10 of those a day. Sorry, Farazi. I've never heard of FN Markets. I don't know what the fuck that is. I can't take sells ever. Yeah, sells are for noobs. Where's Mochi? Don't spawn that guy in, man. Don't spawn him in. You say his name 3 times and he pops up. Is it funded next? Have they got a broker? That makes it even worse. Definitely not at that point. Definitely not at that point. Mochi sick today? FN Market, CFD broker with easy onboarding in 60 seconds. You're telling me a broker can complete KYC and risk management in 60 seconds? Safe. Why are we doing the ritual for Mochi? Nah, yes. No one say his name again, man. We're not trying to get that guy on stream. Chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream right now, otherwise you're gonna get punched. What's good, my bro, Ja? How you doing, man? Chat. This is the week, man. 1 million smackaroons in funding has come my way. It's literally like 2 trades away. I literally need to pass. Well, this one's already passed, right? Wait, no, not this one. The bottom one. This one's passed. So that's 2 passed. I need to pass this one, which is 1.5% away. This one, which is 0.5% away. And this one, which is $200 away. So, that's going to be the milli, man. The little million schmeckles. Chat, should we just full port right now? Psych, I haven't done all this work trying to get 1 million funding to get wiped out on a full port. Jealous of you? I hear that, bro. But look, your time will come. Remember, chat, whenever you think like, oh, like SG's got this much funding, SG's done this, SG's done that, think about the fact that I've been deep in the hole as well. Like, I've been exactly where you guys are. I've been in debt. I got in credit card debt with the amount of fundeds I was buying and failing. I did everything, chat. Every single thing you can think about. I was losing money. Bro, like, never jealous, always proud. I appreciate that, my bro. Chat, by the way, this video here, go watch that shit. It's an absolute stinker. Absolute smackaroon, man. Like, honestly, it's another raw vid, chat, but look where we are again. On the balk.
When you talk about trading, it sounds like you're selling it.
On the balk. We love the good balcony videos, I can't lie. I guess that's the point we learned from your mistake. Yeah, man, that's literally the point. New balcony vid was fire. Mr. Dylan, I appreciate it, my bro. Chat, I'm just trying to make you guys profitable. That's literally it. By the way, I forgot to mention, chat. It's a masterclass. If you guys want to join the masterclass, here's the link, man. There's a little video to explain what the masterclass is, and then you're gonna get like access. Bro, we've literally got like, I think we've got like 3 slots left. It released 2 or 3 days ago and we're nearly sold out. So Bearing in mind, we've got 2 weeks till the actual masterclass itself. It is going to sell out way before that. So if you want to secure a slot, basically a live masterclass where I'm going to teach you my strategy, how I got to a mil funding, all of these sort of things. Yeah, man, that's the thing to join. It's literally only $50 as well. It's fucking insane. Probably the best value ever. If you can't afford to do that, you may as well quit trading. I can't lie. Like, so many people DM me, like, someone DM'd me the other day, bro, I would have been better off buying a funded account. I'll just buy a funded account instead with the $50. And then, bro, he DMs me the next day, yo, I failed the funded account. So now you're $50 down and you don't have the fucking education that I gave you. Or you could have just put the $50 into the masterclass and then the next funded account, you're actually going to pass it. So retarded. I'm up over 100% the past 2 months. I think I'm rocking a 90% win rate for that period, but overall I'm still down, climbing out the hole I made while I was unprofitable. Yeah, bro, but you can't think of it that way. You got to reset your mental P&L right now to $0. People are so dumb, it's insane. It's $50, bro. I know. Late night, low-key balcony vids are the best. Could watch that on repeat. My bro, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, Dylan, it's crazy. It's honestly crazy, man. I don't understand it, but there you go. Chat, what if we make a milli right now? I'm not trying to make it back in an instant. No, I know you're not, bro. I know you're not. But the one thing, to be honest, brother, this is a good point to be made. Chat, I used to have the exact same thing, right? I would, all day, or not all day, but I would be constantly thinking about, fuck, I'm profitable now, I made profit, but when I was unprofitable, I lost 10K or I lost 15K, so I need to make that back. When you think about your losses in the past, all you do is dwell on them, and then your forward trading from that point onwards is a reflection of what you used to do and not what you can do now. You need to actually just forget all of the losses that you've taken in the past, all the money you've lost, and move on from it. Reset your P&L to zero in your mind for your lifetime of trading. And that's the way you're going to be able to like remove all of these negative things. Because remember, just like anything, chat, if you hold on to like these grudges or these negative emotions, let's say your girl broke up with you and you're angry at her, you're never going to be able to move on for years and years and years. Until you let that go, you forgive yourself, you forgive the other person, and that's when you can actually go ahead and make forward progress. So forgive all the losses that you've made, forgive all the mistakes that future you as a trader made, and that's the way you can move on and become better. Fucking clip it, chat. Holy shit. We're rejecting here, chat, by the way. 15 pushing back up. 15 swept the lows. Swept all the previous lows and started to make a little rejecty. 30-minute closing and hourly closing in 4 seconds. Clip ended. Lol, yeah, trust me. So close to 9K subs. What are we on, man? Yeah, we're pretty close, I think. We're nearly... Oh yeah, we are right. We're like 90 subs away. Holy shit. I was gonna say a different word. Yeah, man, chat, I appreciate it. That happened 5 minutes too early. That's what I'm saying, bro. That could have been so clean. In fact, I think it probably happened a little bit too late. I would have liked to see it on like a 15. I mean, it was on a 15, I guess. That was clean though. The little sweeper-rooney of the lows. Push back up, but unfortunately you can't catch that though. There was no entry for me. And I was too busy clip farming. That's my bad, chat. Next time I won't clip farm so hard. Chat, what if we just make a meal? Are we going to reverse this move now? You broke market structure on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute. But you also did tap into a strong rejection area here. What did you sweep here? There's no lows to be swept, right? No Asia lows or anything? No, they're miles away. Chat, I think we could continue to come down here. I'm not going to lie, man. Not going to lie. It's going to be interesting, to say the least. Let's stay patient, man. I need a cleaner setup than this, to be truly honest. Patience is a virtue, young one. Trend is your friend? Yes, sir. course it is, man. I'm not this guy.
I have a question.
Here's a question.
DJI like this?
No.
Oh, very good. I need this for my people.
SG, I've come from Africa to destroy you for the sacrifice. Shalalalala. It's working. It's working. That's the best. The it's working is psychological warfare. Here's Pink Box. Mad. He actually loves it when you call him Pink Box.
I need to know that I've actually changed the colour of it. I don't like the pink anymore.
He's changed the colour of his box apparently, chat. Trent is your friend? Trent is your friend, man. You wouldn't dare make a meal? I could. When would you consider sales in such a bullish market? When it turned bearish. Bet you didn't think about that one, huh? Bet you didn't think about that one. You wait until it turns bearish and then you take the sales. Think about that. Get that through your noggin. 100 IQ plays, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Are we gonna come back up here and break the highs? What's the 2 hour saying? Oh, that's a pretty ugly 2 hour close. I don't know, chat. I don't know, man. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens here. How dare you respond with logic? That is true. Yeah, I shouldn't have responded with logic, to be fair. Damn, mic dropped? Yeah. No sell September? Might be the move. What's good, Kick? Chat, we are bullish as a motherfucker, man. Honestly, in everything. I'm calling Starmer. Please don't call Mr. Kia Starmer, man. Kia, please. Don't get your small hat friends on me. But it wouldn't really only turn bearish if the daily closes bearish. No, it would still be bullish, right? The PA would technically still be bullish. As long as the market structure shifts bullish, then you can look at taking them, right? What's good, Dale? Good evening, my friend. Chat. We're pushing back down here. You tapped into a decently strong level here. I wonder what's going to happen. Yeah, chat. So, it's weird that Kia has small hat friends, but just admitted Palestine as a state. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that one, bro. I can't lie. Maybe it's optics. Oh, SG, what happens when one-on-one students misbehave on the calls? I bend them over my knee and give them a little spanking. Tell them to pattern up. Yeah, anyway. Chat, realistically, it's Monday right now, right? There's a lot of opportunity today. All I need is a nice little bullish close here. If we can get that, we're gonna be looking very nice, I think. Especially with this liquidity being grabbed, you swept all the previous lows. I've got the hiccups. 5 closed bearish. Where do I become a one-on-one student? Crazy work. Chat, if you want to join the mentorship, there's a link right here. I don't know if there's any slots available. I don't think there is, but you can apply to be on the wait list as a minimum, I think. Reflip, chat. The reflip. Yo, is Mr. Mochi banned forever? Did we give him like a full timeout? I kind of feel like we did. Chat, what's one thing you guys are missing in terms of what you need to actually become profitable and what you're missing from me content-wise that you want to see? How often do you stream, Finn? And I stream every single day. 12 o'clock UK time. Blizzy, bro. He can't keep getting away with this. He actually cannot keep getting away with this. 5% up on my personal today and 2.6 on my challenge. Nice, bro. Buy and sell signals. Ah, Mr. Signals. No, not this guy, man. Get him out of the chat. Mods, get him gone, man. I don't want to see him. Get him gone. I don't like this guy. Yeah, thank you, Eugene. Thanks, Eugene, for blocking Mr. Mochi. What an interesting world. That's like the Kiyosama situation, I can't lie. Anyway, chat. We're flipping back up here. Eugene comes when Mr. Mochi comes on. It's interesting, right? It's interesting. He's in jail. I was going to say something until Mr. Mochi came on. I got distracted. This is what I mean. Oh, yeah, chat. Basically, yesterday, bro. Oh, no, actually today. Who was it? Someone messaged me. If you're in stream right now, then no offense to you, but someone messaged me asking for money on Instagram, as always, right? I get about 100 DMs asking for money a day. And then he was like, yo, I have a 1 to 10 risk to reward strategy with a 30% win rate, but I just need the money to buy an account. You're telling me you've got a 1 to 10 risk to reward strategy with 30% win rate and you can't afford a funded account for 50 bucks? My N-word, bro. Like, what? If it was 1 to 10, 30% win rate consistently, you'd be a quadrillionaire. You literally have 10 billion pounds in the bank right now. Like, that is, you know how crazy 1 to 10 with a 1 to 10 with a 30% win rate is like, all right, so you lose out of every 10 trades, you win 3, right? So you lose like 1 R, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you get 3, 3, 3. So that'd be like, what, 9 to, yeah, so basically every 10 trades, you technically 2x your capital, right? Bro, insane. Top ticker out here, trust me, top ticker hard R, like, yeah, it's cooked. Mr. Mochi, I'm your biggest fan. Oh, bro, I'd be well sad if not Trendlines is Eugene, because that account's been here for time. Yeah, maybe it's reward to risk. You're right. Maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, my ticker. Oh, chat. Listen, man. Yeah, Eugene's botting the stream, I can't lie. 15-minute closing here in about 5 minutes. We've got comics open in 10 minutes, though, which is going to be good. Dead Strucky. Yeah, the Strucky's not the best. What's good, Will? Chat, we need some, we need to break out above the resist. It's not good, Strucky, I can't lie. Not good, Strucky. Bro, chat, let me show you something. Let me show you what Tom's really like off camera. Ready for this? Bro, I was chilling playing Warzone the other day. Last night, actually. This guy just comes and does this. Are you mad? So I'm giving you front shots. That chat, that surely can't run. Why aren't you man liking up the stream? That's true. Strawberry Monster for the win. Yo, Mighty Me, did you say you got a Strawberry Monster in the UK? No way. Strawberry Monster in the UK is goated. Chat, I need some more hyped up music though. Will, you gotta give me a house playlist or something. I need some house music. SoundCloud. Chat, do we have copyright free on SoundCloud? Is there some copyright free music? Wait, when Tom's done filming his little video, not little video, that sounds hella condescending. His video, right? Well, yeah, I love some house music. I can't lie, it's pretty much all I listen to. But since the copyright gods came and got me, chat, it's been game over. for the actual music. Chat, what's your goals for Q4, man? Let me know. Type it in chat. I want to hear your goals. Because realistically, Q4 can change lives. It's one of the best quarters for trading, in my opinion. Out of all 5 quarters, it's got to be one of the best. What is my SoundCloud account? Oh my days, bro. It's about time I got funded. I have been struggling it for way too long. Trust me.
Just put the setup in the bag, mister. Anything? Taking anything?
I'm in buys right now.
Oh, yeah.
No.
I'm just Mr. Content Creator in the house. Maybe in my TikTok. We get the stream in.
It's also going to be reversed because you're on the back camera.
Yeah, bro. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Otherwise, I just look over the camera. You don't need this. Thank you.
Tom, do a 360. Do a flip. Bro, they're just trying to get you to do shit. Bro is not a performing seal.
You're about to do TikTok dances.
Do the renegade.
Mr. Mochi, why don't we do a collab?
Nah, Mr. Mochi's up, bro. Like, all my homies hate Mr. Mochi.
Oh, look at this. The chat's gotten funny all of a sudden. Mr. Blizzy.
What the fuck? Tom has shirts? Yeah, I like that. That's actually the meta.
Wait, Sam dropped that I smoked him a paddle yesterday.
Shut up. I've absolutely... It's all on camera. I literally... I beat you by 2 sets to 0.
You didn't. Just put the trades in the bag, mate.
Ah!
Just put the trades in the bag.
Chat. Wait, put gold on screen.
What do you mean?
Click this.
What ties?
Yeah.
Holy OBS.
Talking trash on SG, I know, right? When stream's not on though, he literally goes like, "Oh, I love you so much. Thank you for helping me to trade. Thank you." Fuck.
What are you doing now? You want the alternative angle?
You can at least entertain stream for me.
I am entertaining them. Is Mr. Mochi uploaded?
No, don't give him any more free promo.
Has he got any new content? How do I go on his channel?
Oh my days!
You have so many tabs open.
You're gonna cry about it.
Wait, how do I keep chat on but go on like a separate part of YouTube?
No, you just have to go on to different.
Oh
my days, this guy.
I'm worried I'm gonna leak something.
They can't see that screen.
Wait, how do I get chat bar?
Bro, stop. What have you done?
I just want chat bar.
Did you actually just stop the stream?
No.
And what are you doing? Bro. I beg you didn't. Where's it gone? Why'd you do that? I told you go on a separate tab.
I just want to see chat.
Alright, we should still be live. Bro, this guy just deleted the whole stream.
Wait, we need feedback. Wait, somebody say something if stream's still going.
Give Mochi admin privileges. I'd rather chop off my own cock.
Alright,
mate.
we're still live. Yeah, I was gonna say, there's no way I closed it. Do you know what? I'm not touching anything. I'm not
Just open a new tab and go onto YouTube if you want.
This guy just caught 55 pips. Goodness.
Oh, that is hard. Oh my days. Just give me the best B-roll in the world. Now get out. done this side.
Yes, sir.
Good boy.
Yes, sir.
Good boy. Tom's about to get SG into generational debt. Just the full port of dreams.
How pissed would you have been if I did stream that?
Bro's about to full margin every dollar SG has. What's good, Levi? How's it going, my bro? Mr. Back from the military. You know what I mean? You have to do a salute when he comes in because he's now
Wait. Oh my god, I'm looking at this screen. I'm genuinely might have brain damage.
Yeah,
I'm trying to find myself in this.
This guy's literally brain rot. I'm not being funny. He actually is brain rot. Chat. Is it time to make a meal?
Go get chat.
All right, yeah. I've got a little soldier from Jay. Chat, drop a like on the stream, man. Where do you find another trading stream that is this entertaining, man? The rest of them are just full of fucking retards. I'm not saying we're not retards, but
We strike the balance
at least we're funny retards.
Strike the balance between profitability and entertainment.
Nah, think about it, right? If you can make a girl laugh and you make money, then you've got her in bed, right? And so, chat, realistically, I'm making you guys money and I'm making you laugh. So, slops from all of you right now.
If you can make her giggle, you can make her cheeks jiggle. That's what I say.
Reason for placing it on 37.55? Yeah, it's like a 15-minute support right here. You can see how we used that as a support previously. I'm not being funny, it's slim pickings right now, Dale. We've got literally nothing to go off of in terms of structure, unless you drop to like the 5-minute. Oh my god, I'm actually Gigantosaurus Rex. Like, they've just put a piece in the Natural History Museum about me and the size of my biceps. I've already flossed my teeth today, sorry, bud.
He's got a new video.
No, I'm not. New vid SG reference. Oh, he's baited me. He's actually clickbaited me. Fine.
You will fart for me. You will fart for me. You will fart for me. Send this to a farter. You will fart for me.
It's not even funny. So what is the hand action? Can we?
Yeah, and
I'm glossing over.
I'm not sure about the hand action. I can't lie. That was.
Surely that's restricted on you.
That was pretty Elon Musky. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty close.
That was a questionable. I think he did do that.
Yeah, I can't lie. I think he did. All right, chat. Let's bring it swiftly back into trading. We're not in DJ hour yet. Comics Open is in 10 seconds here. Hopefully, we can get some nice little volume coming into the chart. We're not making that a command. Eugene's cooked, bro. I thought you were brain rot. This guy's next level brain rot. Like intergenerational brain rot. All right, 15 closed, no, 5 closed, no bottom wick below the level. See, this is what I mean, chat. Everyone thought this was liquidity until you see the little meltaroonies.
Eugene, what do you do for work?
Who's Eugene? This is Mr. Mochi.
I'm curious what this guy's job is. I think he's like a teacher. She's teaching brain rot to the youth.
Not gonna lie, I'd love to spend a day with Eugene. You wouldn't, I don't think. I spent like half a day with him. And he's so short, bro. He can barely, like, you have to help him up the stairs and stuff. It's just so long. He's an influencer.
Oh, man.
Strawberries and cream
Have you
calzone.
thought about this though? What if he just has the entire chat and us on ropes and he actually is a millionaire?
What if the entire chat is actually just Eugene? Like, every single person in here is not real, and it's just Eugene botting. Like, he's actually sat somewhere with like 58 different
It's
laptops.
just like a huge psyop.
Yeah, and we're just schizophrenic as fuck talking to just Eugene.
I don't even want to think about it.
I've generated just under $1 billion for e-com companies, Tom.
Mate, put me on.
Bro, but he wouldn't generate any money for me, mate. I asked him to do my ads for him. I said I'd pay him very handsomely, and he was like, I don't have the time.
He's too busy making reels.
Too busy.
He's got the time to make Mr. Movie.
Yeah. And it, actually, Eugene, that's fact. You've got the time to make a Mr. Mochi reel. You don't have the time to run some ads for me. Jesus Christ, man. Priorities, huh? It's pretty hot in here. Chat, we are ripping down right now. 4 hour flipped. Is the daily gonna flip? No, we're pretty pretty far away from that. Yes, I'm crazy. I'm gonna sell to 3,700 on my FX account. Fair enough, Kay. I mean, it's played out, right? I think. Oh no. I mean, it depends where you are and where your sell was. But yeah, you shouldn't be selling this, so I'm gonna have to call you out on that one, Kay. I got in at 37.23. Ah, decent. All right, chat. I'm gonna take a buy here. I'm not really. Imagine someone just full ported right then as I said it.
The pip and dippers.
Oh my days. We actually would have got the bottom as well. I would have just bottom ticked you guys. Imagine. 3 pip stop loss as well. Let's see if that would have played out. Small lot size, so not much profit. Just testing my entry skill. Nice. Taking buys in the middle of nowhere. That's the TRLS strat right there. Yeah, trust me, Dylan. That's the move. How to sell at 37.28. What is it with you guys in selling the fucking all-time highs, eh? You're like, you know what? I know every single time frame's bullish and gold's just ripping up fundamentally as well, but sells look pretty good here. Top ticker. Harder.
Call me a top ticker.
I can see it go to the 5 minute. What, here? Was that what it was from? Yeah, that's not too bad, to be fair. Little break and retest the Rooney, but raise, bro. You know we can't be trading against that bias. Or at least I can't. What is that? Tom is the OG top ticker.
I created the strategy.
Right, Mr. Mochi's getting timed out for like a day, I think. How long should we do?
I reckon, no, just 5 minutes.
Yeah, why is Tom's top on?
No,
Up into 10, yeah. Right, chat, we're ripping down here. Nah, he cool? He's not cool, bro. Damn, the timeout for Mochi. You know, it's one of those days, chat. Oh, it's happening to another level here, though. You do have a level on the 15 minutes, 37.46, sorry. It's actually quite a strong level here in terms of rejections. Let's see what we're going to do, chat. Maybe we get like a nice little flip down. Is this age lows? No. Free Mr. Mochi's crazy, you know. Why do they want to free him so bad? He doesn't deserve it.
Free him up.
Free up the guys. 30-minute closing in 5 minutes here as well. What are you at? Oh, maybe I can get a really cool set, a cool shot here, man.
I'm gonna rotate.
No, I've got an idea. Got the mega right there.
It's adding hella commands.
Huh?
It's adding hella commands.
No way, bro.
Danny's trying to disguise them.
Danny, I thought you were on my team, bro.
The chat's just a bunch of Mr. Mochi glazers.
Yeah, what is that about, actually?
Wait, but what's the point in doing this? This is the exact same angle as you could just take this off stream.
No, it's not the same angle, is it?
It's right next to the camera.
How is it the same angle? Look at where it is.
Oh, right, well, I'm fucking gonna lower it.
That might be actually. That might be the Sigma move.
You'll have to get on the step ladder though, see first.
Hold the chair. Ow!
Oh, just flash everyone. Demonetized immediately.
Ow! Oh, this is actually a technical masterclass right here. Ow! Alright.
There we go.
What the fuck are you doing, lol? Don't worry about it, chat. Don't worry about it. Yo, see, chat, oh my days. Look at the precision of that level, by the way. Look at that. I placed a little lev there, right? Short for level, by the way. And, chat, we immediately reject off of it.
To use the calculator.
Oh, is that what calc's short for? Yeah. Chat, if we close back above these highs, though, you might be able to take like a little aggressive buy here. Because now you've tapped very strongly into the level here. Is that a 15? Nah, okay. Realistically, though, this could be good. Lev is short for level, yeah. In case you didn't know, chat. If you're new to stream, Lev is just slang for level. Alright, but we are rejecting, though. Back downwards, chat. This is interesting. Yo, like 20 people left when I got on the desk.
Really? What the fuck?
Yeah, innit? He's using slang, chat. New TRLS poster? Yeah, have you guys not seen? I've shown you this before. I guess if you weren't on stream, yeah. But TRLS poster. I might have to start selling them. I can't lie. Little post, chat. Short for poster.
Can't keep shortening it. It'll get to a point where we shorten everything and then nobody will know what we're saying anymore.
They left because Mr. Mochi timeout? Not true. 360? Exclamation mark, question mark.
It's finally happening.
5 minutes till the 2 minutes till the 30-minute close here, chat. Day 12 of asking where the merch is at. Lamau and the poster. Yeah. I need to do the merch, to be honest, and the poster. I'll get it done. Let me add this to the to-do list. Give me a get out my way.
Shut up.
Say what the other word you were about to say. No! Oh, fuck's sake, man! I've spilled the strawberry dreams. There's no more dreams for me, mate. Oh, that's right where I put my mouse as well.
See, I might offer to go get a towel or something.
Please, may you go get a towel.
You just screamed at me.
When? Not the strawberry dreams, chat. I know, it's fucking upsetting, to be honest. Tom, why do you do this? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Not the straw monster, bro. There's no way you can draw left so fast without a calc. What's a calc?
Calculator.
Huh. Chat, crazy. The 15 closed. Oh, sorry, the 30 did close bearish still, but the 5 did close bullish back above that Levski. It's very interesting. Very, very interesting, chat. Not sure I like that little voice, to be honest. Ban Tom. That might be the move, to be fair. Are you interested in getting a ban?
Not an IRL ban.
Calc is short for calculator, chat. Oh, okay. Just using slang. All right.
You probably don't even know who Good Griefs is.
I literally said it before you.
The Rage Bait King.
Don't ban Tom. What's good, Tom, by the way? How you doing, my bro? You're getting banned at IRL. You didn't even get the fucking thing, bro. And now it's just seeped into my mouse, man.
My days. Oh my days.
Good boy. Good boy. Chat, ripping back down here. 30-minute fill in the wick. Massive rejecty, potential reversey. I don't know if I like that, bro. I don't know if I like this anymore. Look at that. I was looking at the screen, that chat. Someone make an aura edit of that right now. That was actually crazy. Replay that shit. I was looking at the screen. This guy throws a towel and catch it out of the peripheral. Insane. You guys could never do that. You guys would never ever catch something in your periph. Short for peripheral. Did he just undress? Yeah, this is his boxers. I'm just wiping it up with it. We still in the premium of the move. No, could pull back more. I don't know about premium and discount, but yeah, we could pull back more. What's in my to do here? Wait, I need to do. Let's write. I need to do. I need to do a new to do. To do.
These are their tank tops.
You're the.
That's actually good.
You're the
I'll
hers.
give him that.
You're the hers.
No, I'm the his.
Right, chat. Who'd be the his and who's be the hers? Realistically, let's figure this one out. Because I'm about 25 kilograms heavier and taller.
You're a bottom.
You can't say that because then I'll actually think. Too many black vets on the screen? I didn't know you were a black veterinarian.
I just realised for that, this sound going to make no sense. The outfit change.
And bro's just farming content. Chat, if I release a TRLS poster, how many of you would buy it? Why don't we set up a GoFundMe for prop firm evaluations? TRLS body pillow when?
Oh my god. Ooh.
Was there an echo or something? Alright, chat. We're kind of hovering here. If this 5 flips, I would expect it to rip through towards, like, back up towards the highs. I'd buy a hoodie with the logo and a shirt. I know, bro. I have a sick fucking hoodie designed already. I just need to... You know what it is? Person running my merch is a woman, and they take a long time to do stuff. Unfortunately, women don't get stuff done fast. Apologies to the 1, maybe 2 women in chat, but it's just true, unfortunately. Chat, it's time to make $1 billion. Explains all the problems. Yeah, it kind of does. On Apex, is it sure to be funded when you reach 6% profit? Then there's an activation fee. Yeah, 6% and then you're good. 6%.
6-7. 6-7.
They get me done fast. Pause. All right, chat. We are pushing back up here. What did I say? Call me Mr. Market Maker. I've just actually read the market like an absolute book right there. Told you guys. Look at that. The Rejeki after the Strucky and the Posishi. It was written in the stars. But seriously, let's just see if we can lock in here for a second. If this 15 can close bullish, I guess, above this level. There's so many levels, man.
This is what I was saying this morning.
Well, yeah.
There's too many levels.
Too many man, too many man. Yeah. Hopefully we don't get a Rejeki into the reversey, chat. That is true. 5-minute closing, though. Are we going to get a bullish 5 close? By the looks of things, yes. I genuinely think we could just flip this 4-hour right now. Or at least the... Oh, bro, look at the 2-hour. That's actually kind of cooked. Holy 5-minute poppers. That's insane. We just popped up here like crazy. Hmm, 6-7 chat. Listen, by the way, 65 of you in here. Let's drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. I really do appreciate you guys jumping back in, showing some love. I know we took some time off, but listen, I'm super... Well, I didn't take any time off last week. I'm super fucking excited for what's to come. I genuinely have some ridiculous content lined up for you guys. Like, if they see the secret project, they're actually gonna just like... I don't know. You're probably gonna... I'm not gonna say
that. I already know.
Nah, it's gonna be good though, chat. I can't lie. It's gonna be something you've never seen before in the trading industry. Like, I genuinely mean that. You will have never ever seen it before. I did a little teaser on my story once, so if you saw that, you have a brief idea, but still nothing close.
Interesting reel. Mr. Mochi, respond to me on Instagram.
No way you've been DMing Mr. Mochi and he's been airing you.
No, I've just messaged him now.
30-minute hasn't broken structure yet. That's what I'm saying. We're still bullish market structure here, chat. We are still definitely bullish market structure. The Strucky's good here, chat. Good struck. In all seriousness, it is good structure. I'm just a bit worried about this 5-minute. I can't lie. 5-minute made like a strong ass rejection. Sorry, needed to change it back to trading. No, I appreciate it. Strucky's cooperating. Good. It actually is cooperating. You're right, Dale. But the 5 minute is not. The 5 minute's playing hard to get with us right now. So maybe, I think, chat, the move's going to be the 15. If this 15 minute closes bullish here in 7 minutes, Tom, leak the project. Don't leak the project. If this 15 closes in 7 minutes, we'll look for a buy. Basically, above here, stops below all the lows. TP all the way up towards the, I guess, the structure highs here. Resting liquidity above the session highs, actually. Bullish SMT at the highs. Fuck, man. Yeah, chat. Realistically, that's going to be the play for me today, I think. Oh, not today. I'll stay on for a couple of hours longer, but I mean, look, it's going to be interesting. What are we going to hit at the gym today? Chest?
Chest.
We haven't done chest though. We did. No, we did chest on the weekend. No?
We haven't gone for 3 days. No, in fact, we haven't done chest since last Monday.
Cap. Holy rejection, chat.
Spent too much time doing the legs.
Chat, the 5 minutes rejected heavy here. Bro, what is going on? Actually. Apparently. Yeah, man. It's going to be an interesting one here, chat. I can't lie. It's useless to go beyond the Val goal, right? Yeah. 100%. There's no need to do that. Absolutely no need to do that. Makes no sense. Anyone ever tried those sandwiches from the guy? Those sandwiches from Guy from Subway, man? Isn't that the guy who...
I don't know. Honestly, a lot of Eugene's references go over my head. Like,
That's not Eugene. That's Mr. Mochi.
oh, Mr. Mochi.
I feel schizo when you talk, Eugene. Honestly, it makes me realize, like, because if we get a win here, I might reach it. I'm quite excited, but managing expectations. Yeah, patience, Dale. Patience, young Padawan. I don't know, you might be older than me, but that's a good quote. Yeah, nah. It's gonna be exciting. I'm convinced Tom is Mr. Mochi. Nah, Eugene's Mr. Mochi. It's been exposed. Unfortunately. Guy got baited out. Should we go to Stratford Westfields and film a baiting out your biggest skets video? Eugene's in one of them. You know there's a video back in the day, you know, the Stratford Westfields baiting out skets. Eugene's in one. I'm convinced I'm Mr. Mochi from Mr. Mochi.
Me and him have got a bit of discourse going on. I might leak some insider intel.
Chat, we need to close above the highs here, chat, and you should be good to go. I can't lie, as long as you close above, we're sort of rejecting off this level here at 37.50, which is kind of interesting. You should drop Easter eggs of the project. Chat, nearer to the time, I will definitely drop Easter eggs of the project. The problem is, the project's going to take a long time to be finished, I think. Like, literally, probably like a couple of months. Literally. We close respecting the level here, which is not really bueno. But on the higher time frames, we're starting to look okay here, chat. You've got clean traffic up. You've got a no top wick on the 2 hour and 1 hour, which you could come up and grab, to be truly honest. Will it affect all of us? What, the secret project? Yeah, man. It's going to be a really good watch for all of you. You're going to love it. Like, genuinely, if this video doesn't get like 100k views, I'm going to be so shocked. Like, ridiculously shocked. But then again, knowing YouTube, I'll bang out the best content ever and it'll be like, yeah. Do you want 12 views on this one? Safe, take it. So, I don't know, we'll see, but it's going to be good. Maybe today is a no trade day. Maybe, but maybe it's a 4 trade day. You never know, Danny. Till the setup sprint, you never know. Just put the setups in the bag.
Just put the course in the bio.
Chat. It's all going to come down to the closures, to be honest. Hey, SG, what's your total net worth and annual income? Holy shit, the HMRC's in the chat. Yeah, Mr. IRS entered the chat.
Give me your 16-digit code. 4-digit...
Hang on, are you actually my accountant, but you've changed names?
So just give me all your credit card details.
Chat, the feds are here. Woo! What's your net worth and annual income is crazy, you know. May as well just ask how big my penis is, like at that point. Like, what is going on? insane. My net worth is 8 billion. Annual income 10 billion. You work that one out. SG's worth about 1 million. It's a little bit low. I'm not like Mark as well. Mark F, if you guys remember, Mark F was a gazillionaire in chat. The first gazillionaire in chat. Makes around 70, 80k a week. How big is it? Crazy. Over or under chat, 4 inches. That's a good line. What happened to that kid? I don't know. He's still out and about probably. We'll see it. We'll see what he's doing. He pops in every now and then. Ooh. Chat, 30 closing and 15-minute closing and 2 minutes. Sorry, it looks like we flipped bearish again. I actually am convinced that was HMRC. Why you look at Thomas reading the 4-inch chat? Because he wrote it, and not Tom biting his lip.
No, it's just pure guilt from Sam.
It is 4 inches off the floor. I have to tie it around my ankle sometimes.
See, I'm really worried about wearing shorts on the street because it swings out the bottom.
You know when I'm wearing shorts, right, and you can see my legs, I actually have to wear like a leg-coloured thermal because otherwise, like, I've got it wrapped around my leg all the way down. Fucking hell. 4 inches is way too big, right? Yeah, Danny, that's ridiculous.
It's just unnecessary.
Yeah, you're just hurting them at that point. Oh. Is this 5 going to be a push down, or is this going to be like another bit of liquidity grab before the continued move up, chat? I think the second one here, but we will see. I think it might be time to make a mill. I'm dead serious about this one, chat. I think it might be time. I need this 15 minute to close above the level though, chat. If it closes like this, it's a weak ass closure.
Well, you're nearly at 9k subs.
How close are we to 9k subs?
I can't see.
You can't see. Where's my phone? Oh my days, man. Imagine that was just the wackest angle. Oh yeah, good. Good actually.
Oh, our faces and I like our headers and even in it.
Oh wait, no. No, that is quite good.
No, that's better, yeah.
Okay, chat. Oh my god, we're pushing back down, man. What the hell, man? What the bloody hell? Phone's up there in the stratosphere? Yeah, I just realized that. I can't lie. 15 closed bearish, chat. Very interesting on this one. 5 closed bearish. Top wick first. So, realistically, chat, that's kind of cooked us in terms of this exact position here. But if we can get like a nice little closure now on the 30 minute, I know it's going to take another couple of minutes, but we're going to have to wait and be patient here, chat. There's no other way to do this. SG 6'7" confirmed. Actually, I'm 6'7". 2 different measurements though. That's a classic. Yeah, this 30 could be good, chat. I'm not gonna lie. We actually might be looking nicely here. So be patient, chat. Remember, a good setup always takes time. That's what I like to say. Bow now. What would you be looking for on the 30? The same as the 15, right? Just a nice little bullish closure. Preferably above 51.1, right? Because then if you can close like that, you've basically done this on the 30 minute. Wait, you've basically done this. Nice little bullish structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Another higher low here. And then you'd be taking this to continue up like this. You know, and you'd be catching it here. Which I think would be nice, to be honest. Problem is now, 15 minute no bottom wick, which is ugly. So we need to be patient, chat. Very possible. I think so. I think we could be good here. I think we could be good.
It always happens.
Understandable. Have a nice day.
Just checking out.
In a bit, Danny. Bro just asked what we'd be looking for. And then dips off. Yeah, chat, it's going to be... As long as the 15 closes bullish here, chat. Not the 15, the 30. Even if the 15 has no bottom wick. What you could actually look for as well, chat, is an extra confluence. If the 15 closes bullish above, then comes back down and sweeps that low, we can take a position right after it taps this low. And that'll be the buy to continue upwards. SG, random question. How do you manage business and relationship? That's a very good question. How do you manage business and relationship? Realistically, you have to find the right partner. You have to find someone who's willing to sacrifice, you know, a few of the things that most girls want. Like, you know, time every day. I can't give my girl as much time every single day. You have to sort of realize that there's going to be compromises. But at the same time, you also have to compromise for your girl as well. You can't always just be like completely locked in and not giving her any attention or doing anything for her. So me and my girl will go on like date nights pretty much once a week. If not, then like once every couple of weeks. We obviously eat dinner together every night, like, and that's just the time for me and her. We do a lot of things together. We train in the gym together. So you can be productive and be together without it being like a problem, you know? So realistically, there's ways to compromise about it. You can't just be a dickhead and just like not talk to your girl when you're working. It doesn't really work like that, you know? That's what I'd say. That would be my advice. This is ripping, chat. This 30 close might be the one here, man. Yeah, hopefully that answers your question though, bro. I feel like that's a pretty decent answer. Oh my days, we're ripping. The mega rips, chat. What's going on? This could be good though, chat. It's doing it a little early though for my liking. You could potentially anticipate it, but with the 15 no bottom wick,
10 minutes before New York as well. Like
I think it might just fill the range all the way back up here. I can't lie. This could be very tough here, chat. Look at that volume. Where has that volume come from, man?
like 10 minutes before the open as well.
All the bankers got to work early as fuck today.
Yeah. So I feel like it barely moves when it's this close to.
Good advice. Just been a bit hesitant lately. Hesitant to what, bro? You can't like let work get in the way of like a relationship. At the end of the day, you gotta think about what you're doing this shit for, right? If you're, bro, trust me, if you're working alone and like grinding away all day, every day alone, and you have no one to share the benefits and the rewards with, there's no point to it. One of the best things ever is like being able to buy my girl what she wants, or like being able to look after her and like not have to worry about bills and shit. It's like, bro, it's such a lonely thing to just chase materialism and not actually share it with someone, you know, like take your girl on holiday, or even with your boys, right? Like, it'd be so shit if you're just rich but lonely. I'd rather be broke and like have good mates and a good girl with you, like any day of the week. This guy's got maxed out stats and knowledge. Yeah, I'm actually Mr. Wisdom, chat. Like, I don't know if you guys know this. I'm literally 24, but I reckon I've got wisdom that would compete with most old Donnies. Apart from like the war and shit. I'm joking. Oh, chat. What is that for a volume push? This is the trade that I wanted to take, but it's just done it without us. Eight minutes to the hourly close though. Realistically, a 30 bullish close here is going to be nice either way. Like, maybe you can get like a tap back into here. I don't think this level exists on the 30. It's a kind of a 15-minute level, right? But again, like, on the 30-minute, it doesn't really count. Well, it's not there at all. Hourly looks good. You've grabbed all this liquidity. As long as this 30 can close with a top wick and make a bottom wick on the open, you should be good. Chat, did anyone catch this? Because that was this pretty decent rejection there. If only it did this a couple of minutes later. Unfortunately, I have to wait for the Audi close. When you're like 7 minutes before, it makes no sense. What the helly? I know, what the helly. Stops are going to be quite big now as well.
Mega work.
I caught Ibisol way too early. Chat, realistically, you guys should just, whenever I say something, you should literally just take the position. No, I'm joking, don't do that.
You can record that and you can start advertising the bottom tick.
I actually did, yeah. I actually did call it to the bottom tick, you know. You literally called the bottom tick, SG?
To the point.
Well, it doesn't really mean shit, does it, chat, if you don't take it? But nah, like, I do call the ticks pretty much every single day. It's just like, I don't want to take them. It's not really my style of trading, you know? But I'm going to use that as a screenshot, to be honest.
Yeah, you got to be quite okay with having a relatively low win rate, right? If you want to bottom and top.
Yeah, if you try and bottom and top tick, bro, like, you are going to get cooked on this. Because, hiccup, realistically, like, this could have been the bottom tick. This could have been the bottom tick. This could have been it. Like, they just... Well, actually, to be fair, most bottom tickers, I would never do that. But most bottom tickers basically just spam positions until they're right. And then let it run until...
I think so, yeah.
So, like... And then, obviously, they'll just post the one on socials that they actually... I don't know. What's good, Tracy? How's it going, man? Standard deviation levels, you know? Nah, this is a... Chat, I put this level on... This is what I mean. Everyone fucking... tries to make it hella complicated. I just looked at the 15-minute level to the left, put it on, and look, it was literally a perfect bottom tick. It's chat. You guys don't understand, man. I trade exactly how these other traders do, but they just like try and make it as physically complicated as possible just to sell a course. That's how they top tick and bottom tick, not my style. Yeah, no, I know, bro. I know. Bro, chat. The course. That course that like you saw the other day. When did you last eat crisps? I don't know. A long time. Yeah, chat. Tom found like a leaked course the other day from some like relatively big trader. And I put a video on my Instagram about it. It's the worst thing I've ever seen. Literally zero value. And super complicated. Super like mixed up. They're not in order. And bro, the way this guy was explaining it, he literally went, this is the, bro, it's like, just couldn't even like talk pretty much. I don't know how people listen to like a couple of hours of that at a time.
And the stuff he's teaching is like very complex.
For no reason.
Yeah.
Chat, 5 minutes, man. 5 minutes to the hourly close. Let's lock it in. It might be time for a little position. This could be nice. A little hourly. Did he wrap the course? Watch TGA Bootcamp, bro. Could be worse. What, is it bad? I've never seen
Honestly,
it.
I would have said TGR was better
Than this guy's?
Yeah, probably. I mean, I've never watched it all the way through, but I've heard good things if you're like an absolute beginner about TGRs.
Chat, watch this guy flexing on you right here. I don't know who this guy is, but it's actually a ridiculous flex. Yeah, I actually just decided to farm a little bit of aura. Look at this guy.
I think everyone should follow that account on screen right now. The one that says liked by.
I didn't see one.
No, I did.
Yeah, chat. Fake whip. Fake whip. Not even like rented or anything. It's just, it's a cardboard cutout.
It doesn't even move. We have to build it there.
Not the fake whip, bro. How tall are you, lol? You look at range, look small? Yeah, I know. To be fair, the range was in like low mode. But wait till you hear that.
Dear Bruce,
Dear Bruce,
honest and clear.
I've decided to marry Harvey Dent.
I'm going to marry Harvey Dent.
No. Why would she marry Harvey Dent, bro? That's just the most retarded thing ever. You've literally got Batman.
Yeah, but he's the guy.
Harvey Dent's not the guy. Bruce Wayne's the billionaire.
Yeah, but he's like Harvey Dent's like the guy that runs the town, I think. He's like the governor.
I've decided to marry Pink Box. Chat, 3 minutes, man. This position could be crispy.
It's actually It's actually green box now.
Green box. You don't want to be called green box. You take one-to-ones. What, risk to reward? Sometimes. Or do you mean like mentorship? If you don't mind, how much did you start trading? Like, probably a bando. One singular band.
Bando, baby.
What's Tom's favorite position?
Long.
Long.
Not sure.
Clip that. He likes the sky dweller from what I've heard.
I do like Sky Dweller. Honestly, I mainly just trade breakouts and flips.
I don't think he meant trading position.
Sure.
I think he might have meant...
Yeah.
Holy.
TOS position.
NRLS. Harvey the shit SG? Nah. I'm a Bruce Wayne guy myself. Corvette C8 or house deposit? Genuine question. I'm Tom. I'm torn. I thought you said I'm torn. House deposit, you fucking idiot. Remember he was a part of the Gotham City Council? I don't give a fuck about the Gotham City Council. Who's your local council member? Are you going to marry him?
No, but this guy's like the guy.
No, he's not, bro. Bruce Wayne's the guy.
You've never seen Batman.
I have. I've seen the first two, Dark Knights. I haven't seen the final one. Don't spoil it, chat.
Movie's been out a decade, by the way.
You're going to enter after the 1 hour close? Yeah, I'm looking at seeing this 30-minute and 1 hour close. Bottom wick first. Entry on the flip. Dubs. $1 billion. What's the 5 strucky like? Ooh. Chat, if we tap into 51 again, that could be the nice little position here. I can't lie. Batman becomes a degen. Starts full porting NFP.
Yeah, he hit stop loss and he decides to just go crash out.
Anyone else notice the OTE? Fuck off. Not the OTEs, man. Bro loves oats. He just loves them. I'm more of a consolidation man myself. Is crazy. Why Cyprus as opposed to other tax-free places? The culture, the weather, the fact he's still in Europe, the heritage, like everything really. Dubai's full of fake materialistic retards.
The beaches are real.
The beaches are real. They don't have to ship in like water, basically. It's not.
The trees are real.
There's no like sheikhs shitting on people's chests. There might be, but
it's not
as regular.
It's not built on slave labor.
Yeah, there's loads of shit, man. It's just way better. Also, like the Greeks / Cypriots, like they're pretty sick. I can't lie. The one thing that I don't like is there's no Amazon. Is there a minimum days? No, I don't think there actually is. Chat 30 closed here. Do not pop up straight away off the bat. You silly thing.
Popping down.
Oh, it is popping down.
Omega. New York Open.
Chat, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this candle here. Buy stop right here on the flip of this candle. I'm hoping actually we can come down and test further, but that was a good little liquidity grab. What we can do is we can enter like, oh, nice. All right, come down a little bit further. Can I not change the... Wait. Oh, fuck. Right, chat, I got executed here in this buy position. So basically, we're going to just target, to be honest, the top of the range most likely. This could come further down a little bit, but I do think we continue up to push towards these highs as a minimum. So let's see. Stops are going to be below overall lows. Oh my God, this guy's trading negative risk to reward. But yeah, realistically, that's the position. I'm taking this currently on a top step evaluation, okay? So just so you know that, to manage your risk and everything, I am taking this on a top step evaluation. So it's not the most important trade in the world. But again, I'm trying to get this mill funding, right? Realistically, it should fill up towards minimum 59.6. We obviously didn't get the best entry, right? But your break-even point puts you at 35 pips, which is very good. Very good. In fact, how much is the wick fill here? 12 pipperoons. Oh my God, that's a lot of liquidity though. If you got the wick entry, then GG's. You can hold this for a lot longer. Little pop there.
759 is pretty.
We're currently up like 20 pips though. Can't lie. Yeah, chat, it's going to be a risk-free trade right now. Congratulations on this one. I'm going to put my TP at... To be honest, I'm just going to put my TP at a past account. I'm not going to lie. Because... Why not, eh? Oh my days, that's the rejection of doom. There is a... Nah, the 1 minute close, no top wick. Yeah, reason for going break even there, chat. 1 minute close, no top wick. It nearly tapped the level as well. Oh my days, we definitely just got stopped out, right? Oh my days. Oh, we got slipped a little bit. Nice. Break even on that one, chat. That's a crazy rejection.
It is. Did anyone close?
Yeah. If you closed at the top, you would have seen 30 pips, which is a decent trade, to be honest. But again, I was like, oh no, don't do this to me. No, I'm joking.
I guess it was a 1 minute level.
Yeah. It is technically a 1 minute level, and the 1 minute close, no top wick, and it pretty much filled the range, chat. When I say fill the range, right, it doesn't have to exactly tap the level. Like, that is pretty much filled the range. So, chat, we'll add that to the little... That was a quick-ass trade. Imagine... Yeah, okay. I was just thinking if I could have risked more on the trade, but I think I was pretty decently risked. So, it doesn't matter. Chat, I think we saw like 250 bucks on that. Nothing crazy. I'm going to keep trading for right now, so don't pip and dip. If you pip and dip, I'm going to punch you. I'm literally going to come find you. Let's keep looking here. I'm going to wait till at least NYSE, I think. Trades taken. Gold buys. Break even. Wasn't big enough bottom width for me to enter. Fair enough, Dylan. I mean, to be fair, it was relatively big. Oh, my days.
That's unfortunate.
Nah, it's one of those ones. There is literally, like... nothing else I could have done. That is the perfect break-even point here. Like, I could not have done anything else. So if you hit break-even there and you're like pissed off, don't be. Like, realistically, there's no alternative way to manage that trade. It's a very strong resistance level right here. You tapped into it. It's also actually it's a 15 level here as well, like a minor level. You tap into the level, close no top wick, which is a clear rejection sign. 15 people dropped out after the trade, bro. What is pip and dips is crazy. For that volume that came in, needed to go down to 52. Okay, fair. I'm gonna delete all my markings and do a little reanalysis here because this is weird now. I don't like this price action as much. Chat, that was a decent, well, not a decent trade. It was a very good trade, but one of them ones. Did you take that? No, right?
No, I didn't get it.
See, look, we're flipping now, chat. I think I'd be in drawdown here. Came onto the charts for 5 minutes, entered on my own plan, and secured 34 pips and closed the charts. Good shit, discipline. That's huge. Do I need to stop or limit when LS? What's LS? Is above entry? SL.
SL.
Stop. Because it's a stop loss. Just remember it that way. No trade for me? Yeah, fair play. Was definitely valid. Just a lot of liquidity in the range was already half filled. Now I understand that, bro. Thing is... Yeah. I probably would have put my TP at the top of the range, which, by the way, still wouldn't have got hit. Like, we wouldn't have got out still. But obviously, I was just going for that past account. But chat, think about this, right? You managed the trade so fucking well just there because we just saved ourselves some drawdown. I mean, you would be in profit right now, but remember, managing risk in that way is the best thing you can possibly do. There's no reason for you to be having unnecessary risk on the table when you know there's a high likelihood of a rejection, right? You have essentially a rejection area right here, which you tapped into. Why would you try and hold through that level? Like, there's absolutely no reason for you to do that. It's an increased chance of rejection, which means increased risk on your portfolio, which means manage risk, basically. Why the fuck would you be holding that? But now I think, chat, we have a range between these two levels, right? Which we have now filled, by the way, which makes it very difficult to take this position. So we need to either wait for like a closure above the level here to take us all the way back up, or... Oh my days, chat, this 2 hours crazy. Or something else. Caught 50 pips on that push-up, trailed, stop loss, got hit, was trying to target all-time high. Right, it's still a W.
Yeah, oh my days, the 2 levels on the 4.
All right. It's re-broke the high, chat. Everyone start complaining about how shit management that was, please. I'm joking. Obviously, there's nothing else we could do. My mouse is going flat. I'm probably going to be done trading. You've got an interesting way of trading? Why? I don't hate that question. I just wonder what makes you think is interesting. I'm probably going to be done trading now. Up 1% on the day. 3 trades, 2 small wins, and 1 BE. Nice, Blizzy. I need to plug my mouse in.
It's good.
Wait, I have to unplug it from here. Is that side?
Yeah.
Plug it in like the USB slot on top. Alright, mate, alright. Do you know anyone that still posts Snap stories saying someone pop up? Yeah, you do, bro. Yeah, but Blizzy could be 2% up, bro. Don't start this. That is crazy work. TRLS trading style is the GOAT. That's what I'm saying, bro. Honestly, this strategy is one of the best trading strategies out there. In fact, no, it's the best trading strategy out there. I will back that against anyone. In fact, I would trade against anyone. If you give me like a trading competition against any of your favorite traders, I back myself to fucking beat all of them, to be honest. On a live broker with regulated money, like with a FX book and everything. As long as it's like confirmed real money, because I don't want them to do some bullshit full margin stuff. Just not what I'm used to. The rule of thumb I use is I need a break of structure either internally or externally before I go break even. I notice you use more discretion. Not a problem. I know you're not hating, bro. It's interesting. I don't use discretion. I use a number of confluences, right? I use like either a break of structure, which we didn't have, or a tap into a resistance area, which we did have, like minor resistance area. Or one of the main things as well is like no top wick closures. You notice whenever you have a candle closure without a top wick, there's pretty much always an immediate rejection. Same with bottom wicks, right? You have no bottom wick candle here on the push down, you immediately reject. No top wick on this one, you immediately reject. Same here, like it does it all over. So that's one of the biggest confluences in my trading. But yeah, it's not, I guess sometimes it's discretion, but not really. It's discretion based off of specific things. And also I did say my break even was going to be 59 anyway. Trader Wars will be funny as fuck. You just unplug my mouse. But nah, Tracy, I understand that. And also it's good to be able to like actually criticize, or not criticize, but what's the word? Scrutinize other people's trading. I think it's very good. What are you looking for now? Closure above. Everyone trades different. That's what I love about trading. True. Did you learn through tutorials or have someone that taught you? Chat, I learned through YouTube videos, which was one of the biggest mistakes I made with my trading, right? Obviously it worked out now, but bro, I'm seeing people like Tom in the chat, Tom here, and Kaiser, and Gareth in the one-on-one, Dylan as well. Bro, these guys are getting profitable in like 2-3 months just because they have a mentor like me who's taking them through it. It took me fucking like 3-4 years to do it. Like, you can be profitable without a mentor, but it takes so much fucking longer, like a ridiculous amount longer. And if you think about the opportunity cost of it, if you pay like a little bit towards a mentorship now, by the time it would have taken you 2 years to learn, you would have like lost that money anyway. You know what I mean? In opportunity cost. Did you take the buy on the main live account? No, I took it on a top step eval. That's literally it. But yeah, if you think about it now, right? Let's say like, I don't know. Let's say a mentorship is, I don't know. Well, let's say you put like, let's say you have $4,000 to invest into trading, right? You invest $3,000 into a mentorship and you go ahead and learn within a couple of months, $1,000 in props, and then you get, you know, payouts relatively soon, okay? That's very achievable. Or you take that 4K and you just try and trade with it. Most likely you're going to lose it all. And it's going to take like 2 to 4 years to learn until you actually make some of your money back. Like, it's ridiculous. It's so much easier to learn when you have someone who's teaching you. To be honest, I have your private lectures, which feels like a mentorship without the one-on-one. Someday I would like to get the mentorship. Yeah, bro. the course itself is very good, right? It's very detailed. Genuinely, what do you think about the course? I think it's one of the most...
Because I was waiting for you to stop talking there. While Sam was asleep today, I have this on video as well, just because, you know, we're shooting bits for the vlog. While he was asleep, I passed my second 50k today. So that sort of just evidences that, you know, like the stuff Sam is teaching, it is very digestible and you're able to do it on your own. After, I mean, I've been trading for 3 months and I'm at 100k funding now. And, you know, like there's even things that, like, I'm at the point now where Sam has taught me to be able to think for myself as well. It's not just like, you know, like just copying exactly. Like he teaches you to think for yourself, analyze the charts in like a personalized way, if that makes sense. So he's teaching you beyond just learn strategy. It's also learn strategy, but also a lot of trading requires like a little bit of intuition, and he teaches you how to sort of get that intuition rolling as well. It's like we disagreed on something the other day.
That is
like,
true.
The ability that I'm actually able to do that is like...
That is true, yeah. Like the other day I was looking at taking buys. Tom was looking at taking... Oh no, he just didn't like it. He said, nah, because there's this and this and this. We disagreed. I took the buys, ended up hitting break even, and then Tom's idea played out. So like the argument between us two basically made us... It kind of made me move my stops. So basically like the discourse and yeah, the ability to be able to talk to each other that way is so good. But yeah, Tom Eustace, you said the same, right? You're in the one-on-one, you said the same thing, right? You're able to think for yourself now, which is great. You're in the course as well. I like how you've structured it. I appreciate it. Hey SG, since I started following your streams for the past 4 weeks every day, I'm on here. I've passed the 25k Apex eval, started small first, and now $400 away from passing my first 50k as well. Holy shit, congratulations, Terry. See, chat, join the one-on-one. I'm not being funny. You're going to save way more money in the long run, right? I'm going to send a link. If you don't join it, you're stupid. No, I'm joking. But the whole point is, look, it clearly works. Like, it clearly fucking works. Every single one of my students that has joined is making, like, massive... Like, most of them are already profitable, and if they're not, they're already making huge progress. Clip it. But yeah, man. Is your one-on-one a monthly subscription or one-time payment? You can do either. You can do either, my bro. We have payment plans. You can do one-on-one, like one-time payment. I don't think the course would be any more detailed. I don't think the course could be any more detailed. Yeah, I still find... Oh, you still find something to add, so you can't ask for anything more? Holy shit.
Shall I put that clip in the Discord?
Yeah, if you want. Make a reel out of it. I think that's good short form content.
Yeah.
Yo, you guys are killing it, man. Like, honestly, the shit that you guys are sending in here is ridiculous. I actually need to make a post about this. Alfranzo, what's good, bro? I believe if you just sit in front of a chart with a book and a pen and just watch it, someday you'll figure it out. Let's be real, it's all a pattern. You just have to find the one that sticks with it. This is true, right? Obviously, there's an element of having to watch the charts as well. But you need to learn the concepts, and you need to learn... It's not even just learning the concepts. It's learning how to learn trading. Learning how to backtest, how to forward test, how to collect data, how to pass accounts, how to be aggressive with risk. All of these sort of things are like add-ons to the strategy itself. Yeah, you could probably figure something out, but it's going to take you way, way longer. It's a pretty inefficient way of learning. But it's necessary as well.
Do you trade them one at a time?
Tom, for the Apex accounts, do you trade them one at a time, or do you have a rotation with them?
Until probably a week ago, I traded them individually. What I've started doing now is I'm copy trading them. And so, for example, about 2 weeks ago, I bought a fresh set of 50Ks, I think I bought 5. What I did was, while they were fresh, I copy traded all 5 of them. And until I take my first, you know, like significant loss, like something more so than, you know, 0.5%, then I go to trading them individually. And that's sort of just what I've been doing.
Grape. Smart.
Yeah.
That is actually smart. You've actually put me and Tom were talking about this the other day. Did you just say about like what you're going to do with the losses?
Yeah.
I wasn't focused. I was doing something on the screen.
No, that was for
when the... Yeah.
How,
but did you just say that?
Yeah, how I go about doing my
PAs.
copy trading, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a super smart idea. I'm actually going to probably implement that as well. Like, last time I just traded all my PAs at once. even when I took a loss and when I would go into my trailing drawdown a little bit, I would still trade them all. Tom said he was thinking, well, we were talking about it, but it was his idea to basically copy trade them until you take a loss on one of the accounts, or no, on all of the accounts, and then you separate them up into groups to sort of diversify the risk, which is actually an extremely good idea.
Yeah.
No glaze. Yeah, man.
So yeah, well, I mean, I'm kind of at the point now, seeing as I have been doing that, I have, well, this morning I did have 4, but I passed one. I have 3 accounts all within 2% of passing. And I'll probably, seeing as they're quite close to the finish line, just do them individually.
What, for the eval stage? Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
I like to trade the eval stages. I like to trade them one by one myself. You can copy trade them and just try and get loads over the line, but something about that feels a little bit greedy, especially because I am very high leverage on my evaluations, right? So like, it doesn't make as much sense for me to do that. By the way, chat, look, the 15-minute just came down, swept a few lows, and then is now flipping bullish. Doesn't mean I really want to take a position here. However, if the 5 wants to close bullish here, we could potentially look at... Oh my days, I just opened a different app. We could potentially look at taking a buy here. Cheers, Tom fell asleep.
This guy's just waffling.
He's actually got you.
I guess I'll just go fuck myself.
Chat. All right, we have NYSE open as well in 11 minutes. Breaking: 5-month pregnant woman finds her fiance on 2 years on Grindr. Her husband to be screams, "I'm not gay, I'm not gay."
I thought Grindr was an app for...
Eugene, bro, you don't have to tell your life story.
It's for making bread, isn't it? For Grindr.
I genuinely thought it was an app full of hustlers.
You seen them?
Yeah.
That's a good clip.
That might be what he's doing. He might have just been trying to make some bread for the baby to come. You never know. All right, chat. What's good, Betch? How's it going, my bro? 30-minute close in 10 minutes. 5-minute closing right now. Could have another stab at these buys, to be fair. You swept the low again. What's the 1-minute Strucky saying? Oh, it's a bit of a range, to be honest. Move the mentorship to Grinder. Yeah, just because Mr. Mochi, you're already on the platform, bro. See? We're ripping up now, chat. Got a wick to fill here on the 15. Who told you my business? Have you seen that? Michael. You're a batty man, Michael.
Yeah.
Currently dancing, by the way. Crazy. DLV 1 trade. Nice. That is the move, man. But... Oh, my days. Let me fill the wick, man. You technically could still be in this position. Lol, you got it? Yeah, it's a good reference. I can't lie. All right, mate. In a bit. Mad. Chat, to be honest, I'm just here for the Geoguessr. I don't really care about the trading. I'm just here for the Geoguessr towards the end of stream. What we'll do is we'll wait for for NYSE open, sorry. Hey, what's good, Malenko? And then we'll go ahead and actually see whether we're going to get a position or not. And we'll play the Geoguessr, call it a day, or maybe not. Maybe we'll get a position, who knows? You might have a nice little 30 close here. To be honest, I would like it now above the level, unfortunately. We were pretty close, chat. I think I was 200 bucks off that past account. Which is pretty whack, to be honest. But again, I've passed one account today. I don't need to pass more. Did Tom get offended by Jay? Yeah, I think he did. I think you pissed him off. He's literally just walked out the room going, that fucking Jay guy, what the fuck? The trading part of the stream is like an unskippable cutscene until Geoguessr? Yeah, it must be. Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. By the way, Apex currently have an 80% off sale right now. So if you want to go ahead and grab an account, make sure you go and do that using code TRLS. Then you can make like a couple mil on the account. I think from this week I'm going to start trading my PAs. I'm probably going to try and get these top steps over the line first. And then give it a little go, man. Sorry, been on fort, but I will say beginners don't realize how much of a disservice they're doing without a mentor. Yeah, man. Honestly, a mentor helps so much, and I know I have a mentorship program, so I'm a little bit biased, but even if I didn't, I would say that in October when there's 90%, I'm going to go crazy with them. I feel like that's the move. What country are you in right now? Holy shit, are you the feds? What's good, Zeno? No, I'm in Cyprus. I live in Cyprus. It's probably the best country on the planet. What's good, Creed? Welcome back, my bro. My voice is pretty fucked. Oh, my days. We're going to push up and break the highs, man. How are you and how's everything? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good, Creed. Thank you very much. How are you? How are you, Mr. Creedington? Oh, my days, chat. M&S selling new Halloween crisps, but some shoppers point out revolting detail. What are you, the news, bro? Strawberries and cream calzone. Thanks. Amazing. Can you be my lawyer, daddy? Crazy. These new Halloween pickled worm crisps. What the fuck? Pickled worm. No FOMO, guys. Even if you entered on the flip, you would have been tap break even. Exactly. What are you looking for, G? Break of the highs? We just had a position, bro. We took the flip of this, but we got hit break even. Tracy, you a girl or a boy? Nah, it's definitely a guy. Maybe not. I don't know. Girl? Yeah, Tracy's quite a fucking, what's it called? What is that word? Unisex name, I guess. Yeah, no, I knew it was a guy. Is that what clothing brand? I thought that's a clothing brand logo in your PFP. PFP. Teen books, lip filler appointment, and balls eyes out after looking in mirror. Bro, stop just regurgitating the news headlines, Eugene. Trying to move to my man, girl. Yeah, Eugene, give it a rest, honestly. Chat. Comics open. NYC open in 5 minutes. Give me a sec. I'll be back in 1 sec, yeah?
You're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no. You're in and you're out. You're up and you're down. Oh, you're not.
Why is this guy just singing in the background? All right, we're back. Holy, no music as well. My bad, guys. I left you in the dark. All right, Max, in a bit, bro. Good night. Chat, we flipped here. See, this is why there's no FOMO, man. No foameasies. Carson, have you seen the 20K Chrome Easy denims, bro? That is so fucking trim, bro. That's our current, like, most rinsed joke is Zesty, TJR, and Carson. Or actually just Zesty American influencers. Like, they are so bad.
That is fucking trim.
Fucking hell, bro. Those chrome denims are so fucking hard, bro. Alright, G. Get off his cock, man. Like, what? Gotta rip out the Guitar Hero while waiting. Guitar Hero is crazy. What a throwback. I used to play that when I was like 10. Does that still exist? Yo, Yeah, when's my iPhone gonna arrive, man? What did they say? 3 or 4 weeks for the iPhone 17 to come. That's gonna be so fucking long. I can't believe I've just paid like $1,000 for something and I have to wait a month to get it. That's so silly. Alright, chat. 30-minute closing soon. On PC, yeah, it's called Clone Hero. You can download like thousands of songs. That's pretty sick. What's your cat name? Mr. Mochi. It's kind of mad. Oh, I'm using that. 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 Found the hardest little photo here on Twitter. Twitter. Cat name's Mr. Mochi's diabolical. Imagine, bro. Tom, when you get a cat out here, call it Mr. Mochi. Oi. He's outside. Oi, SG, fly me out, fam. I'll fly you out if you join the one-on-one. Deal? Alright, deal. I said when you get a cat, name it Mr. Mochi. Deal? Alright, say less. Alright, cool. How much is it? You're a millionaire, bro. You don't need to ask the price. Mr. Mochi, man, you're a millionaire. Come on, son. Come on, Sean.
These handles.
What? Alright, chat, let's see what we're going to do here. 30-minute closing in 1 minute's time here. Hopefully, chat. I don't know, man. To be fair, if you close below the range, you could take a look at some sells. But I don't really want the sells. Otherwise, we might have to wait for the hourly, you know. It obviously hasn't been enough liquidity for us to push up, right? Otherwise, you would have continued to push through. Oh! Alright, I gotta go hit the gym. I'm actually so hungry. We ate already. I'm starving. What should I eat before the gym, chat? What's a good pre-workout meal? It's my new favorite TikTok sound, by the way. Wait.
I'm gonna smash your fucking faces, you prick. How about that for a fucking message? I'm gonna smash your fucking faces, you prick. How about that for a fucking message? I'm gonna smash your fucking...
It's such a good fucking sound on TikTok, I can't lie. Rice cake and fish? I think it's actually fish and a rice cake. It's a different meal. Chat. 30-minute closing bullish by the looks of things. Oh, weak bullish. Top wick first. All right, it's cooked. It's officially cooked, chat. Geoguessr time it is. Oh my days, bro. That is so jarring. It is what it is, man. Unfortunately, we did not get the position. Oh, we did get a position, but we hit break even. It is what it is, man. So let's play the Geoguessr chat. I think that was a great first stream back, not gonna lie. We're getting close to 10k subs as well. If you are trading for the rest of the day, chat, make sure you trade responsibly. If you haven't already, join the fucking webinar masterclass that I'm dropping on October 1st. If you want more information, head over to my IG and DM me the word live. And I'll send you all the info, right? It's going to be sick. It's going to be so good, man. I'm super, super happy, excited for it. It's going to be way more valuable than the last one. And the last one, everyone said it was like worth 10x what it was costing. So you can imagine what this one's going to be worth. Next level value. Chat, join up, man. Join the blood clot Geoguessr. Otherwise, I'm going to start with these 5. I don't care. All right, chat, I'm starting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Oh, someone just got in last little second. All right. Fuck, I don't know where this is. I feel like it's... Where is that? Estonia. How am I meant to know that? How are you ever meant to guess Estonia, bro? Bro, is this... Wait, am I tripping? I swear I've been here. Maybe not. I don't know where this is. Oh, I was relatively close. Malaysia. Bro, why is it in English everywhere? Do they speak English out there? I don't think they do. Ooh. Where is this, bro? I feel like this has got to be somewhere like here. Absolutely nowhere near. Like, not even remotely close. Holy shit. But to be fair, no one got that one. This has got to be like... That's what I'm saying, chat. Somewhere like that. Not close enough on the France. I mean, it was France, but not the right area. I thought it was south of France. It looked pretty beautiful, and normally the rest of France is a shithole. Bro, this is like an actually tough game. I'm tied between like Russia or Bulgaria. Fuck, I knew it was Bulgaria. Nigel, that is so annoying. All right, third. I'll take a third place. Malinko, congrats on the third. On the first, sorry. Problem with second. Okay, problem. Chat. Listen, man, that's going to be it from me. What a trading day. Unfortunately, we only had one position. It was break even, but we managed it extremely well. And look at where you'd be right now. You'd be sat in drawdown, crying your eyes out, about to hit stop. So, chat. If you're trading the rest of the day, make sure you trade responsibly. Remember, though, it is Monday. You don't need to trade today. You don't have to force shit. So, with that being said, chat, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the same time. New York session, 12 o'clock UK time, 7 a.m. NY time. Have a great rest of your day, chat. Peace out. Much love.